Whether you're at work, the laboratory, harsh environment, outside stuff, electrical, indoors, no matter what you're doing, even if you're at home and you want to label something and your OCD wants it to be absolutely perfect and you want to be able to choose any font, any type of this, anything of that, I have an awesome printer to show you today. This is the Brady M211. It's a Bluetooth printer. It allows you to use your phone, which gives you so many more options than what you would have before. I'm going to walk you guys through this top to bottom. Stay tuned. This printer is absolutely amazing. It has a lithium-ion battery on the inside, so you're not constantly replacing AA batteries. You have a USB-C charging port in the back. You have a little tether back here if you'd like to tether it to something, but you can put in a magnet on this side or a belt clip. This little button helps to push out the different labels that you can put on the inside, and that would include anything from heat shrink tubing to harsh environment labels, just about anything. Pretty cool, and this machine knows what you have inside of it, so if you don't have the right labeling inside of it, it will tell you. You have a battery gauge here. It's green at this point in time. That'll tell you, what battery percentage yours is at. It'll drop to orange when it's at 50%, and it'll drop to red when it needs to be charged. The Bluetooth light tells you that it is connected, but realistically here, what this is a printer, but what makes it is the app. Let's go into our phone here. It's an Express Labels app by Brady, and it comes up here and gives you all kinds of options. And what's cool, you have a breaker box item here. Let me get this to go. So if you want to label a breaker box, you can tell it how many breakers you have, what the width is of each breaker. If you want it separated with a dashed line that you have here, you can go into a full frame. I mean, there's just so many options that you can go to. Orientation of vertical or horizontal. It is amazing what you can do with just this little stuff. If you want to put flags on, it tells you how to do the flags, what you're going to do, a continuous printing. It will go through all kinds of stuff as far as what you want. If you're going to label like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can just tell it that you want to do sequential. It'll put it all in there. Amazing. Patch panels, everybody sees this stuff. This is awesome. Pretty standard. Sleeves, it's telling us incompatible supply. We need to actually put in the heat shrink black sleeve that's here. We can do that later, but we need to just back out and go, okay, can't do that. Go back to home. Terminal blocks, you can do anything that you'd like to with this, including wire wrap. It's just amazing. If we want to put in our own label here, we can put in a text box and just anything we'd want to do, like T211X6. It puts it in there, and we can hit enter if we'd like to put double lines, but we probably don't on this. We'll just click that. Then we can come back here, click on anything as far as what we'd like to for different fonts. That's just amazing because, changing this to whatever we'd like is just interesting. We can auto fit it, so it will move itself up. It's telling us right now it's too big, but it can auto fit. We can drop the font size down and up, turns auto fit off at that point in time. There's all kinds of stuff. We want to reverse colors, so we want it to be black with white. Boom. We want to print this guy out. We hit print. Oh, object is outside of print. So we can just hit fix, which is perfect, right? Makes it easy. Here's our label. Anything that you would absolutely want to do. And the more interesting thing about this is if you want to do barcodes, you can put in any type of barcode that you'd like to do, which I think is amazing. I don't have a use for that. But what I did have a use for is symbols, because I was labeling garage doors. So I was looking for different arrows, different things like that. You have all this stuff in here, audio, video content. I had to laugh at the COVID-19 stuff, which is actually kind of funny. I'm going to use some of this stuff as some jokes for friends, but if you actually had to use this, it's all here. including a do not enter sign, which I thought was interesting because you're going to have a pretty small piece of tape. But it is cool as far as the amount of symbols that you can actually find in this for datacom, electrical, fire safety, first aid, I mean hazardous materials lab. I mean, it goes on and on and on as to what's here. And better yet, if you needed to import something or anything else, this app is updatable so things can happen in here. It's endless, which is what makes this so cool, because you can do more and more and more stuff and just continue on with a whole bunch of different things that you couldn't do before, just because you simply didn't have the ability to find this stuff on something that was already preloaded. And that's what makes this just wonderful. So beyond its ability to print just about anything, it's also very easy to remove any of the printer stuff that's inside here. Simply pull that out. You can then drop a new one in, boom, lock it back into place, and you're ready to rock and roll. This is the heat shrink tube. I'm gonna pull it back out, push the button on the back, it comes out, pull it out, gives you a warning there's nothing in there, put your stuff back in, and move back on. Very easy to change between any type of tape that you want, and this tape that you get is going to be rated for different uses. Some are harsh environments, some of them are indoor-outdoor. This is an indoor-outdoor tape, which I think is interesting because a lot of people will tell you that, you know, with heat, they will change colors or something will happen. And I can tell you that this tape has lasted a very, very long time, and with heat that we put to it, I'm gonna have to put this guy down. It doesn't change colors, it doesn't do a lot, and it lasts for a long time. It's professional use. It's not the most inexpensive stuff out there, and that's probably why it works well. You can see that thing is just like normal. It's curling up a little bit from the heat, but it's not changing colors, and it's warm. Nothing's happening here. To peel this stuff off, there is a nice layer on top. This, because it was heated up, is going to be harder to peel off than normal, but comes out, stick that guy on something, and you're good. This comes in gloss, matte, just about anything you can imagine you can get, and it will work for just about anything. The app for this is free, and it's on the Apple Store or Google Play Store, so you can go on, search Brady printers. It'll come up with their Express Printer app, and you can download it, look at it before you buy the printer. It's super easy to go through and use, but the things you can do there are absolutely amazing. And if you really dive into what you can print and what you can look at, what you can change, the options are just simply endless in the amount of different tapes and printer paper that you can put in here are also just about endless. So check that stuff out if this is something that you're interested in. I know a lot of electricians, a lot of things like that would use this. And in fact, for me, I was using the other handheld Brady, which is much larger, just to do some simple labeling. This will simply allow me to do this much easier, as I can label a whole electrical box with this, make it very nice and neat, put anything I'd like to on that, adjust it so it looks right. It's just perfect. That's something that you don't find all the time when you connect to your phone, because then you're limited by the technology in your phone. But in this case, the technology in your phone is so much greater than something that is just stuck in a hard-coded item that you have to push the letters in. Most of us know typing on our phone is pretty easy, and we can navigate through that simply, which makes this even better. I mean, guys, this is simply a printer, but what happens and what makes it is what that app will allow you to Bluetooth to the printer. Absolutely perfect. Can't say enough good about this guy. Check this stuff out. Leave those comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you would. Hit that notification bell. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.